Hey everyone. So you think you got an exhaust leak, but you don't know how to find it, right? You don't want to start the engine, try to put your hand near the hot exhaust and maybe burn your hands or whatever. I recently developed an exhaust leak in this, starting to drive me nuts, and so I'm going to fix it. But first I got to find it. So how do you do that? Well, you can do it with the engine off. Easiest way to do it is get your shop vac, hook it up so that it's blowing air into the exhaust. Try to block off the exhaust as much as possible with a rag or something, tape it up or whatever. But if you kick it on, I have found my leak. I can hear it. If I put my hands around, I found it. It's right here behind number 4 cylinder. Obviously the gasket there, you can hear the air change. I can feel the air blowing out. It's the only place it's coming out, but it's coming out behind number 4 cylinder. So that's one way to find an exhaust leak. So it's been tough and challenging to find. I came up with this, decided to blow air into it backwards, and there it is. So I'm going to go up to the auto parts store. We'll get a new set of gaskets. Should be relatively easy to change, and we'll get it fixed. Hope this helps somebody.